Half of Lira City Councilors boycotted budget approval meeting, citing lack of accountability. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel. Lira City Council has a total of 16 councillors, but 8 attended the council meeting and approved the 2024-2025 budget estimate amounting to 38 billion shillings. The Speaker of Lira City Council, Patrick Okwir, who was happy that he succeeded in realizing the quorum and passed the budget, condemned the action of the councillors who boycotted the council meeting. A number of councillors have boycotted this meeting, almost half of them. What could be the problem?
About that issue, I really don't understand the gist of the matter very well, but I was surprised actually when I came to this venue and discovered that some members were missing. I tried to reach out to them, but some of my phone calls went unanswered, and also some of them kept promising that they would be able to turn up, but they have not been able to come. But I want to believe that if there is any issue, we should act professionally and maturely. Can we engage? Can we get into a dialogue and see where the problem is so that we can be able to come up with a solution? Boycotting does not give a solution to the problems facing our people. If there is any issue for debate, this is the right forum for us as political leaders of Lira City Council. We don't want to debate over on social media. We don't want to debate over during our social gatherings. But debate must be brought before council, and we should be able to disagree in order to agree. And I believe that is the best thing that we should be able to do as the leaders of this city council.
The Secretary Finance and Administration, James Omara Elem, said the councillors who did not turn up for the meeting that was held at Palm Gardens Hotel are cowards.
Because no, Kayini boycotted. Ngame no lose it. Do they even know what took place today? Are they aware of the changes? But also this budget went to them in their committee. They have made their recommendation. Ask me, ask them, task them. Ngame Gino proposing from their committee. Amolo. No, couch will ni worry or lay your time. You think what you're lay your time. It means you are a coward.
Okay.
Yeah.
On a telephone interview with Lao News Channel, some of these councillors, who include the female workers representative Sarah Awor Angweri, the male disabled persons representative Matthew Omara, raised the following complaints. Number 1. The adjusted budget estimate by the committees was tampered with by the executive. Number 2. Limited impact of previous financial year's budget on the community, citing poor road network. Number 3. Failure by executive to give accountability of the previous financial year's budget. Number 4. Failure by the Speaker Okwir Patrick to reconcile them with the executive. Number 5. Failure by the Speaker Okwir Patrick to remain impartial and is always siding with the executive against the will of the councillors.
So the budget impacted so new measuring impact agina one of you in a council. But then so one of the company near Kong obet character like fellow councillors. But I assessing ourselves. But then Kiranga wanted to get it. But then only loopholes here. Our doing at a one forum over a made passing budget. So impact there is not felt in the community. executive kwany speaker wa me council te uber kere executive decision te better made in executive. So when the chalo councilors are deciding it's okay, we don't speaker and the executive were passing budget.
Yet still cardo executive chalo dong budget draft boro wan ka would scrutinizing of amedung mir chale council la dong jo mir jo wote with approving ballot ni to doc kute dwa ko doc nyimwa doc kute dwa ko nyima executive ame bonu pelo ber kediki jami mo ga me warri per committee nu do executive ko anyi ame jami ka para so one war materi mar or ta go kimbo speaker o ta ko ni ame put peru gini waranyin kami wa kare o located head of executive mo bedo meya ta ame wan lo wor bo ta lu ngudong ko me pe ani ku ko mago e kim tiana de ko kwani so yi wa do te wan ko pien pe lo presidia.
They say these allegations made them to stay away from the council meeting that was meant to approve the budget. For Lao News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira City.